You are reading an AI-generated explanation. The paragraphs flow beautifully, the logic tracks perfectly, and then you pause and squint. Buried right in the middle of a brilliant answer is a single, subtly incorrect fact. This is a state of partial correctness. The response contains the terminology and structure of a factual explanation, while harboring a specific misleading error. This mixture of truth and error happens because of the mechanical process used to build responses. It is a result of how the systems construct language under the hood. To use these tools safely, we have to look past the final polished text. We need to examine the mechanical generation process itself, looking closely to see where flaws enter the stream. Identifying these errors requires a method of forensic diagnosis. By looking at the core architecture of these models, we can see why they produce answers that look right even when they are factually broken. Look at this diagram of the generation sequence. AI models do not retrieve complete, verified answers from a database. Instead, they build responses entirely from scratch, sequentially predicting just one single word at a time. Every single word it chooses is calculated by 3 specific factors converging at once: the previous words it just generated, your initial input prompt, and the linguistic patterns it learned during its training. Because it is highly sensitive to those learned patterns, the AI easily mimics correct terminology and maintains tight logical structure over long stretches of flawless text. But here is the exact vulnerability. The generation sequence moves strictly forward. As the AI builds a sentence, there is no internal look-back mechanism. It does not pause to verify its newly generated statements against an objective ground truth. This means a single wrong assumption, a missing detail, or a flawed calculation can inject itself directly into the prediction stream without triggering any internal alarms. Once that error appears, the failure compounds. The model simply uses the previous words to predict the next ones, which means it seamlessly incorporates that mistake as foundational truth for the remainder of the response. The relentless speed of generation never slows down, and the tone never wavers. From the user's perspective, the text continues to flow perfectly, masking the compounding error buried underneath. Because the AI is strictly an engine of sequential prediction, it doesn't have to be irrational to be incorrect. It can arrive at a flawed conclusion by taking logical, consecutive steps off a bad premise. Let's apply this mechanical theory to a technical programming prompt. The AI's response will likely provide a correct high-level overview, complete with proper terminology and a clear structure. But buried deep inside the code block, it confidently invents a flawed edge case. We see this exact behavior in logical reasoning problems, represented by these stacked steps. The model processes the first few components perfectly. Then it stumbles on an intermediate calculation right in the middle. Even though the subsequent steps built on top of that miscalculation might follow sound logic, the final conclusion is ruined. The structure looks sound, but the foundation is broken. You find the same trap in real-world history questions. The AI seamlessly weaves verified historical background information together with outdated facts or incorrect specific statistics. These hybrid errors are difficult to detect precisely because the overwhelming majority of the surrounding text looks, reads, and feels reliable. This creates what we call the coherence trap. These models are heavily optimized to prioritize a smooth logical flow, an authoritative tone, and internal consistency. They will sacrifice factual accuracy just to ensure the text sounds convincing. When human beings write, we pause. We double-check our memories, rethink our phrasing, and revise our mistakes. We possess an internal feedback loop. An AI generates responses in one continuous pass, lacking that reflective loop. We have to stop evaluating AI outputs through a rigid binary lens of right or wrong. That isn't how the technology constructs language. Instead, its accuracy exists on a continuous, variable spectrum. As you can see in these guidelines, interacting with AI requires a specific operational protocol. You cannot treat an answer as a single verified unit. You must actively break down complex answers into individual parts and verify the key details independently. Warning tone. As these models become more advanced, their errors will not disappear. Instead, they will become more convincing and more subtly woven into coherent text. Using AI effectively requires the ability to dismantle a response and verify its individual parts before accepting the whole. The difference between a useful insight and a dangerous mistake lies in our ability to catch the error in the stream.